A pleasant day to all. This is Jillian B. Proceso, your student nurse from Jose Rizal Memorial State University. I am Jillian Proceso, student nurse of Jose Rizal Memorial State University. And now I'm going to perform a fetal heart monitoring using a stethoscope. But first, I am going to perform hand washing before and after the procedure. Then next, I'm going to introduce myself to the patient and state the purpose of the intervention. Then secure the patient's room for the patient's privacy. And now, I am going to expose the abdomen of the patient that I will examine. Then, I'm going to drape it properly. To get the fetal heart tone, we are going to locate the fetal back by gently palpating on the mother's abdomen for a firm area. Then, perform the Leopold's number 2. So, for my patient, the fetal back is on the left side. Then, place the stethoscope and listen in a 1 full minute. Okay? So, the normal fetal heart tone falls between 120 to 180 BPM. Okay, ma'am. So, your fetal heartbeat is 145 BPM and that is normal. Then, I'm going to assess the patient. Okay, ma'am, that's all for today, and thank you for the cooperation.